How to fix the login errors on the Trust Wallet application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If it is a server issue for Trust Wallet, you'll have to wait until it gets fixed. You can confirm it by the website such as Down Detector or the official website of Trust Wallet. Another thing you need to ensure is the stable internet connection. For Android user, you can long press the application and go to App Info. Once you reach there, you can go to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. While for the iOS devices, you can go to the general settings of the iPhone and then offload the application. After that, you'll have to reinstall it. Likewise, always make sure to head over to Play Store or App Store, search for the application Trust Wallet, and make sure it has been updated to the latest version. After that, make sure that the VPN services are turned off while logging in. This should probably help fix your error. However, if it does not, you'll have to directly contact to the customer support regarding the issue. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.